Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to cancel your Grammarly Premium. To cancel your Grammarly Premium subscription, follow these steps. First of all, open up the preferred web browser and head over to Grammarly. After that, make sure that you are logged into your account. Click on the account option here. On the account settings, navigate to the subscription tab to view your current plan. Look for the option that says cancel subscription and click on it. It's usually on the bottom of the page. Follow any prompt to confirm the cancellation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email regarding your cancellation. Keep this for your record. Some of the things to keep in mind is that cancelling your subscription will prevent future billing, but you will still have access to premium features until the end of your current billing cycle. If you decide to reactivate your subscription later, you can log back into your account and select a plan. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Grammarly Premium subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Grammarly's customer support for assistance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.